Hi guys, this is Mrs. Phenix. I am actually outside on my porch this morning. I am loving the fresh air. My puppies are running around everywhere. Bella, you can say hi. Waylon's out there chewing on something. Oh, there he is. Say hi, Waylon. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about our addition problems. So when we left school, we were finished with addition problems, but it's always good to keep practicing because we don't want to lose those skills because those are really important skills to have. So what I have created is I've created a word problem for you guys today, and we're going to go through it. We're going to go through kind of step by step on how to set it up and how to do all that. I know that you guys remember that because you guys are super smart and awesome. So you guys are going to kind of help me out as we go. So if you want to maybe grab a piece of paper or grab, anything to write on, you guys can do it with me if you'd like. So, a fancy dancy whiteboard. So my problem says, Mrs. Phoenix's chickens laid 24 eggs on Monday and 48 eggs on Tuesday. How many eggs does Mrs. Phoenix have now? So first thing that we always want to do with a word problem is we want to underline important information. So what is one important piece of information we need to remember about this word problem? So one important information that I would underline, let's see if I can do this together, is that they laid 24 eggs on Monday. So that's going to be my first number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write that down because that helps me remember that that was what we started with. Okay? Then our next important piece of information is how many eggs they laid on Tuesday. So then we're going to underline 48 eggs on Tuesday. Okay? So I'm going to put that 48 down here just to help myself. One other thing that we need to remember is that if this was on Monday and then this was on Tuesday, are we adding or are we subtracting? Am I taking away eggs or am I putting eggs into my basket? I'm putting more eggs in, right? So we are adding. So we're going to put our little addition sign. Now, what are we trying to solve? What's the part that we're trying to solve? Right, we're trying to solve how many eggs I have now. Okay, so we're trying to look for how many eggs I have now. So what I might do is, so that I don't forget it, is write my label down here. So I'm going to go ahead and put eggs down here just so that I don't forget. Because sometimes when I get done with a problem, I'm like, okay, let's move on. And I always forget to put that label, and that label is very important. Okay, so now we're going to add, okay? So we're going to do 4 plus 8. Well, let's see. 8 plus 4 is 12. Can I put 12 down here in my ones? No, right? Can't have any 10s in my ones. So I'm going to take that 10. I'm going to put it up here. So now I've got 4 plus 2 is 6. And then 6 plus 1, don't want to forget this, would be 7. So now that's kind of messy, right? So maybe I would rewrite that down here. I would write 72 eggs, which would be a lot of eggs. I could bake a lot of stuff with those eggs. Awesome job, friends. I just wanted to kind of review that. That's one of your challenges when you get your newspaper, is we're going to be asking you guys to write addition and subtraction problems. And if you want, share those with me and I will put them on my video. We can talk about them. They don't have to be word problems, but if you'd like to create word problems, that would be so awesome too. I would love to see those and I would love to be able to solve those. It's always important for me to keep learning on this break too. It's not just you guys that keep working, it's all of us, okay? So keep doing your work, friends. Keep up the awesome job. I love hearing from parents and seeing parents send in stuff. Also be checking out all of Miss Lowe's things. She is doing a reading every night, and if you fill out the Google Doc, you get entered to win a prize, and you can be put on this wheel, and she does a little video at the end of the day. So please be checking out her stuff too. It's all on the website. for the school, and she also has her own website to check out too for lessons and things on what she teaches. Friends, I hope you have an amazing Wednesday. You're halfway through the week, and I know that you can keep up the good work and finish out strong. Love you guys and miss you guys.